Okay, so basically I was talking to my little sister one day, and her reaction to something I said was quite normal, considering at the time she was not a business person and she didn't understand a lot about the mindset or tools one must have to make money, okay? We were all just chilling, talking, hanging out on a cold day in the state of New York, right? I said something to the effect of, I am not comfortable when I have a large sum of money in my pocket or in my bank account. I'd much rather have no money at all and have all my income outside of my pocket, and instead have it in the real world working for me in investments such as cars, homes, etc., or anywhere my money can be used to make more money and just not sitting in my bank account or my pocket looking at me, right? Basically what I was saying was, I'd much rather have little money in liquid cash but a ton of money in assets that will make my money grow. And I even went further to say it makes me uncomfortable if I have too much liquid cash at once, because that shows me I am not growing my money. It is just sitting there. I'm doing nothing to make my money, make more money. She looked at me like I was crazy, but then I had to break it down to her because she just did not understand what I was saying. What she heard was, I'd rather be broke instead of having money. Instead, what I was saying was the complete opposite. I'd rather use all the money that I have to make more money, instead of just allowing it to sit there and do nothing for me until I spend it on something useless. I tell this story because when it comes to flipping cars for profit, you must have the same exact mindset, okay, guys? If you make $2,000 from your first flip, it is very important that you do not just sit complacent with that $2,000 profit you just earned when you just grew your money from $2,000 to $4,000, for example, right? Yes, you just earned a $2,000 profit, but you must have the mindset like, okay, I just grew $2,000 to $4,000. I have $4,000 now, but I much rather double, flip, or grow this $4,000 to $6,000 or $8,000 as I just grew the $2,000 to $4,000. This is what I was explaining to my sister. Just because you have more money than you had doesn't now mean you should be comfortable or that you should now just let the money sit there in your pocket or in your bank account doing nothing for you, right? In fact, you should be uncomfortable until you have that $4,000 back into the marketplace, or until you have that money that you earned back into the real world making more money for you again. Never be complacent, right? Use your money to make more money. And even when your money does earn more money, use that more money to earn more money again, okay? Until you're at a place where you are comfortable and everyone is well taken care of and you have money not for just what you need, but also for what you want, then maybe you can start putting some money away. But even then, put your money away in a way that makes it grow. Always. I'm not saying don't have a savings account or rainy day funds, but 80% of your money, especially when you're first getting started, should be used for the purposes of making more money, not to just sit there. When I explained this to my sister, she understood. Okay, guys? So use your money to make more money. If you found this video useful, please like, comment, subscribe. Check the link in the description. If you want to figure out a way to make your money make more money, check out the link in the description. And if you want your money working for you instead of just burning a hole in your pocket every single time you spend a single dollar, right? Because that's all that's happening. If your money just sitting there, every time you spend a dollar, it's just burning a hole in your pocket. The money is just evaporating. Instead, invest your money in something, okay, guys? Click the link in the description to see how to do exactly that. I will see you guys in the next video, and I hope that you found this video useful.